My name is Catherine Jane S. Evan and I'm going to report about concrete. What is a concrete? Cement concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, pebbles, or crushed rock and water. When placed in a skeleton of forms and allowed to cure becomes hard like a stone. Why is it an important building material? First of all, it can be molded into any size and shape of durable structural member, preparation and placing processes. Moreover, it possesses adequate plasticity for mechanical working. So, the cement has the following properties. First, it is proved to be economical than steel. Second, it binds rapidly with steel and it is weak in tension. Steel reinforcement is placed in cement concrete at suitable places to take up the tensile concrete or simply RCC. Third, it forms a hard surface capable of resisting abrasion stresses. This is called reinforced cement. Lastly, it has the tendency to be porous to avoid disproper grading and consolidation of the aggregates. Minimum water-cement ratio should be adopted. The main constituent of concrete are: first, cement or lime. Lime was used as cementing material. These are made principally of calcium oxide, occurring naturally in limestone, marble, chalk, coral, and shell. Second, fine aggregates. The material which is passed through 4.7625 mm BS test sieve is termed as fine aggregates. Usually, natural river sand is used as fine aggregates, but places where natural sand is not available economically, finely crushed stone may be used as fine aggregates. Lastly, water. Water to be used in concrete work should have the following properties. First, it should be free from oils. Second, it should be free from acids and alkalis. Third, it should be free from iron, vegetable matter, or other substance which is likely to have adverse effect on the concrete. Fourth, it should be fit for drinking purpose. Next is its function. First, it acts as lubricant for fine and coarse aggregates. Second, it acts chemically with cement to form binding paste with coarse aggregates and reinforcement. Third, it is necessary to flux the cementing material over the surface of the aggregates. Fourth, it is employed to damp the concrete in order to prevent them absorbing water vitally necessary for chemical action. Lastly, it enables the concrete mix to blow into molds. Next is cementitious materials. Cementitious materials include the many products that are mixed with either water or some other liquid or both to form a cementing paste that may be formed or molded while plastic but will set into a rigid shape. When sand is added to the paste, mortar is formed. A combination of coarse and fine aggregates added to the paste form concrete. Types of cementitious materials. There are many varieties of cements and numerous ways of classification. One of the simplest classification is by the chemical constituent that is responsible for the setting or hardening of the cement. On this basis, the silicate and aluminate cements, wherein the setting agents are calcium silicates and aluminates, constitute the most important group of modern cements. The first type of cementitious material is the Portland cement. The Portland cement concrete is generally selected for structural use because of its strength and durability. Strength is easily measured and can be used as a general directly proportional indicator of overall durability. Specific durability cannot be easily measured but can be specified by controlling the cement chemistry and aggregate properties. Next is aluminum cement. It is much more resistant to the action of sulfate waters than Portland cements. They also appear to be much more resistant to attack by water containing aggressive carbon dioxide or weak mineral acids than the silicate cement. Next is natural cement. Natural cements are formed by calcining a natural occurring mixture of calcareous and argillaceous substances at a temperature below that at which sintering takes place. Next is oxychloride cement. Oxychloride cement has very strong bonding power, and because of its higher bonding power, it may be used with greater quantities of aggregate than are possible with Portland cement. Oxychloride cement also bonds well with wood and is used in making partition block or tile with wood shavings or sawdust as aggregate. One of the hydraulic cements already discussed or mixtures of them in any proportion. Next is fly ashes. Fly ashes are produced by coal combustion. Generally, in an electrical generating station, the ash that would normally be released through the chimney is captured by various means, such as electrostatic precipitators. The fly ash may be sized prior to shipment to concrete suppliers. So this is the uses of concretes and types. There are two types of preparation of concrete mix. The first one is hand mixing. This is used with advantage in places where machinery cannot be used on account of their non-availability or in work near a hospital where the noise of machine is not desirable. Hand mixing is done on a clean, hard, and impermeable surface. There are two types of concrete mixers. The first one is continuous mixers. It is employed in massive construction where large and continuous flow of concrete is desired. The process of feeding the mixing is more or less automatic. The machine requires careful supervision so as to obtain the concrete mix desired consistency. The next is batch mixer. The desired portion of materials are fed into the hopper of a drum in which the materials get mixed by the series of blades or baffles inside the mixers. We identify batch mixers in two types. The first one is tilting drum type and the second one is closed drum type. And that's all. Thank you.